I'm going to show you how to tie down a load of branches in my truck. I'm going to show you how to use the I-splice and the mooring hitch to tie that load down. Instead of the trucker's hitch, which is totally unnecessary for this and more complicated, I'm going to show you the much easier to tie mooring hitch, which you can quickly create and disconnect from the load, so when you get to the dump, it works perfect. Let's go out and I'll show you how to tie that load in the truck. Two practical uses of knots featured in my most crucial knots to know. I've used the mooring hitch here, so it attaches, it adds some tension with this polyester nylon blended rope, so I can easily pop it out. And then over here, I used and created an I-splice, so as long as there's tension on that guy, it'll hold. I did make the mistake of not making my I-splice bigger. I'm going to unweave it and make it a little bit longer, that way I can put it all the way over this buckle. As long as there's a little bit of tension, it should hang okay. And those are two practical uses of knots by tying down loads. This is a great easy way to tie down a load in a truck, that using the mooring hitch, you just pop that bad boy off, and then by pre-tying an I-splice, if I had made it a little bit bigger, then I can easily tie my load down, keep it safe, so I keep legal, even though you're supposed to fully tarp it. I'll at least say I gave it a try. So definitely two great uses of knots, the mooring hitch and the I-splice, to make a quick work of tying down using these hard points in the truck. That's the way to go.